Hello, my name is Yuwana Sanjaya. I am a mechanical student from 11 Maret University, Indonesia. It's great to be here to present my research paper on 26th International Conference on Fracture and Structural Integrity. I would like to talk about my research, design and analysis of mesh size subjected to well-rim convergence using finite element method. For content, in the first chapter, I'm gonna talk about introductions. The second is finite element setting and configurations. Chapter 3 is results and discussions. And the last is conclusions. Chapter 1, the discussion subjects is overview and background. And 2 is objective and scope of the work. Nowadays, the use of vehicle is very important for life, because the need for high mobility makes the need for vehicle to increase. One of the important components in a vehicle is the wheel rim. Wheel rim is one of the most important structural components of vehicle tire assemblies. Wheel rim connects the vehicle body and the tire and enables the wheel rotations. This paper discusses the numerical analysis of vehicle wheels with different results for each mesh size referring to benchmarking journals. The simulation starts with making geometry with Fusion 360 and continues with static simulations on ANSYS. Thus, 2014 has been mentioned that passing through checks such as the radial test is the most common technique for car wheels. The boundary conditions for the wheel rim simulated in this paper is radial force from the diameter of the wheel rim. Following the results, this paper will show the error ratio from the displacement ratio and stress ratio. Chapter 2. Discussion subjects 1 is material properties and geometry, 2 variation mesh size, and 3 boundary conditions and benchmark study. Material properties. Alloy steels are those whose properties are owed primarily to the existence of an element or elements other than carbon, according to the definitions of International Committee of the International Society for Testing Materials, Group 1927. For properties, we have Young modulus for 2.34 times 10 power 5 Newton per millimeter square, and the stress of the von Mises is 240 Newton per millimeter square, and for density is 7,800 kg per meter cubic. And for geometry, the design of the wheel rim geometry uses the Fusion 360 with the dimensions at figure 1a, and the design of the 3D wheel rim is shown in figure 1b. Variation mesh size. Selected target for mesh size are designed on the same regions of the wheel rim body. The mesh size used is a multiple of 5 shown in the table 1, starting with mesh size of 10 mm and ends with mesh size of 16 mm. Boundary conditions and benchmark value. For boundary conditions, we rim simulations with load of 21.3 kN for each bolt holes, and the displacements is translational and rotational in x, y, z directions is 0, and the last is angular velocity. X, Z directions is 0 and Y directions is 62.8 radian per second. And the benchmark study, the benchmark reference is used as comparison has a limit in the form of stress von Mises, and displacements shown in table 2. Von Mises stress value were obtained from ANSYS and number of cycle to failure was obtained. Chapter 3, results and discussions. The discussion is subject to displacements and stress ratio, and the last is error ratio. For displacement ratio size of the wheel rim, displacement ratio is the result of the simulation displacement value divided by the displacement benchmark value. Figure 3a, Figure 3b, and Figure 3c show the displacement profile of each mesh size that convergence. We know that the convergence is 10 mm, 15 mm, and 20 mm. Mesh convergence study with displacement ratio. Convergence study represents graphically to Figure 2a, where the displacement ratio that is close to convergence first variations at a mesh size of 10 mm with displacements of ratio of 0.989. The node is 109,303 and the element is 54,137. And second variation, the mesh size of 15 mm has a displacement ratio of 0.957. The node is 53,013 and the element is 26,720. The third variation, the mesh size of 20 mm has displacement ratio of 0.938 with the node is 35,613 and the element is 7,957. And stress ratio of the wheel rim. Stress ratio is the result of the simulation stress value divided by the displacement benchmark value. We know that the convergence is stress of mesh size 10 mm, 15 mm, and 20 mm. And Figure 4a, Figure 4b, and c show the stress profile of each size mesh that converges. The results of the stress ratio of 11 simulations show varying displacement ratio that presented in Table 4. Mesh convergence study with displacement ratio. Convergence study represents graphically to Figure 2b, where the stress ratio that is close to convergence is first variations at mesh size of 10 mm with stress ratio of 1.174. The node is 109,303 and the element is 54,137. And the convergence is second variation. The mesh size of 15 mm has a stress ratio of 0.919. The node is 53,013 and the element is 26,720. And the last is third variation. The mesh size of 20 mm has stress ratio of 0.936 with the nodes is 30,613 and the element is 17,957. Error ratio. Burr and Chapman 1995 showed that safety factor is used automobile is 3.0. All variations have average safety factor more than 14. This proves that the variation is safe to use since the criterion safety factor is 3.0 as visible in Figure 5a, b, and c. It is for mesh size 10 mm, 15 mm, and 20 mm. Error ratio, overall error ratio of the wheel rim analysis. Overall error ratio with other parameters could be seen as shown in Table 5. With average error ratio refers to the sum of an error ratio divided by number of simulations. Median error ratio is the value of error ratio separating the higher half from the lower half from number of simulations. Minimum error ratio is the smallest error ratio value from number of simulations. max error ratio is the biggest error ratio from the number of simulations. And the last is coefficients of variations error ratio is the ratio of the standard deviations error ratio to the average error ratio. And we can see that error ratio displacement is have average for 0.122, in the median is 0.132, for minimum is 0.011, for maximum is 0.207, and standard of deviation is 0.065, and the last is coefficients of variance is 0.533. While the error ratio displacement have average 0.117, median is 0.147, in the minimum is minus 0.174, and maximum is 0.253. Standard of deviation is 0.111, and the last is coefficient of variance is 0.950. Chapter 4 is conclusions, discussion subjects to conclusions and recommendations for improvement. For the conclusions, we can see from the above table 5, it has been proven that the mesh size affects the results of the simulations. It can be seen from the different simulations results for each mesh size. Based on the results, error percentage steel alloy material that is simulated has the close results at mesh size 10 mm with the error displacement ratio of 0.011 and error stress ratio of minus 0.174, and mesh size of 15 mm with the error displacement ratio of 0.043 and error stress ratio of 0.081. For mesh size 20 mm with the error displacement ratio of 0.062 and error stress ratio of 0.064. For the error ratio of displacement and error ratio of stress, it has average, the median, minimum, maximum, standard of deviations, coefficients of variance. And from the coefficients of error of variance, the lower the value of variations, the more precise the estimate and vice versa. Recommendations for improvement. The optimizations of the results of this analysis can be improved by comparing other material from comparative journal with the same settings. And the last is by considering the mesh size, it is important to determine the mesh size range first, then determine the size of the mesh size more detailed. This will help the author to estimate the results of simulations more accurately. Okay, that's all my presentations. Many thanks for your attention.